Welcome back to the Pioneer Diet. This is my second video. In this video I'm going to go ahead and discuss very simple, easy, wild edibles that pop up in the spring, and they make a great wild salad. You can forage and eat them raw, which is what I like about that. It's also good for losing all that winter weight. So let's go ahead and start. So the first plant on a little wild salad list is this Spring Beauty. One of the first spring flowers to pop up. It's gorgeous. You can definitely tell how to identify it by those lovely lines right there. And the whole plant is edible, including the root. And it's not much there, obviously, so this is why it's really good to have a lot of other wild greens to throw into a salad, and it makes a whole meal. There are other flowers that I've mistaken for this one, but like I said, the lines right there, that's gonna help you out a lot. And I'll end up making another video going into depth of this flower and other individual plants, of any lookalikes or anything you should be aware of. So just keep your eye out for those videos. Let's go to the next plant. Another plant to add to our wild salad is wood sorrel. Violet wood sorrel, often called sour grass. You can eat this whole plant raw. The flowers are from pink to a dark purple. I really enjoy the flavor of this plant. It goes great in a salad, and I also like to use it to marinate fish. Again, I'll make a whole different video showing you how you can use this plant and what to look for. So here's one of my favorite plants I like to throw in salads, wild violets. These flowers here can come in different colors, from white to yellow to purple, and the leaves are heart-shaped. And you can notice that the leaves get quite large through the season. I prefer to pick them when they're younger. I like to throw them in salads and kind of treat them the same as I would spinach. And the flowers, I mean, you can make jams and syrups. There's all kinds of stuff you can do with this plant. I'll actually make a whole different video again on just on this plant alone. So, but it's a good one. It's one of my favorites. So here's a wild violet again. You can notice that the leaves look a lot different from the last plant that I had. It's definitely more heart-shaped. The bigger they get, the more they spread out, fan out. I just wanted to show the difference between the leaves and the aging process. Alright, well, I almost didn't add this one to the video, but I figured I might as well, because it is edible. It's cleaver, sticky weed, bed straw. I mean, it sticks to your clothes. The texture isn't really that great, especially the older it gets. It just loses its, its taste. So pick them when they're young, throw them in a salad. I mean, it helps fill the bowl up and make it more of a meal, but I'll end up making a different video on this one too, with the things that you can do with it, because it does make a pretty good tea. So here we have clover. And not everybody knows this, but it's actually edible. Pretty common, grows in abundance. One of the reasons I enjoy it is it contains protein, which is always nice to add to a salad. And it's a good filler, and I enjoy the taste. I just pick the leaves and I cut off the stems. So last but not least, dandelion. Pretty common, well known. I think that this plant actually deserves its own channel by how awesome it is. You can eat the flowers, pluck them and tear them apart, and the leaves, they got like a fork type look to them, but they go great in salads. Best when to eat them when they're young. They get a little bit more bitter with age. I mean, the entire plant is edible, including the roots. So it's one of my favorites, and the bees love it too. So add this one on your list of awesomeness. All right, there you have it, a wild salad. There's no wrong or right way to make a salad, so feel free to have fun with it. Add vegetables, lettuce, cheese, eggs, whatever. Your imagination is your limit. So have fun with it, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out any future videos regarding the plants we just discussed today.